Hey guys, this is Dave, your mortgageguy.com. And in this video, I'm going to break down how much the seller can pay of your closing costs at closing, depending on your loan type. But before I do that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with more videos like this. So when it comes to buying a home and getting a mortgage, the seller can pay some or all of your closing costs, right? But each loan type is going to have a max that's allowed. So what can be paid in your closing costs? Taxes, insurance, right? Your escrow account, the first year of homeowners insurance, okay? All of your closing costs can be paid in that amount. And so that's what's going to get covered. It cannot go toward your down payment, okay? And keep in mind this, if you ask for more than you're going to use in seller contribution, right? So maybe they're going to pay $10,000 in closing costs, but you only have $8,000. If you don't use that at closing, that extra $2,000 is going to go back to the seller. Okay, so wasted money. So make sure before you negotiate a contract on how much to have the seller pay, make sure you've discussed with a lender, can you use all that money? Or could you use the additional money to maybe buy down the rate, pay discount points and get a lower rate, okay? So let's talk about conventional loans. Conventional loans, if your down payment is 10% or less, the max seller contribution is 3% of the sales price. If it's from 10% down payment to 25%, it's going to be 6% of that sales price. And if you put down more than 25%, you can ask for up to 9% of the sales price and closing costs. What are the chances you're going to use all the 9%? Probably very little, but that's what the guideline is, okay? Sticking with conventional loans, if you're buying an investment property, the max seller contribution is 2%. If you're doing an FHA loan, it's 6% of the sales price. And if you're doing a VA loan, it's going to be 4% of the sales price, okay? So again, those are the answers on the most a seller can pay. Remember, it's going to go toward closing costs, taxes, and insurance. Hope you found this information helpful. If you do, I would love to be your lender. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hey, stick around for this next video. I think you're going to like it. Thanks, guys.